boys and girls, welcome back. Look at the new sound that we did today. Who remembers? Look at the accent and the sound. Eh, 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 eh. Let's all sing together. Everybody loves this new song. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. Who can look at the picture and see something that starts with the eh, 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 eh? That's right, eh, 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 eh. Eggs, well done. And this one, what is it? Eh, 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 eh. Elephant, well done. Do you remember how to write it? I told you, it's a difficult one to write, but everybody wrote it really well today. It's different than the rest. We don't start at the top with the dot is in the middle. We start in the middle. Around and around. Magic fingers, everybody, magic fingers. Around and around. Excellent. Around and around. Okay. Let's have a look at a word with the in it. Can we read this word? Let's see. How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. How do we read 3 sounds, everybody? On our arm. That's right. Everybody with your arm out straight. Like this, no? Out straight. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. What's the first sound? Look. And in the middle, eh, eh. And at the end, t, t, p, eh, t, p, eh, t, p, eh, t, pe, t, pet, pet. Well done. Great. Let's have a look at another one. This one we all know. How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3. Well done. Arms out straight again. Let's go. Look at the first sound. What is it? T. In the middle, eh. And at the end, T. Eh, T. Eh, T. Eh, Te, Te, 10. Fantastic job. Okay. Let's sing our song one more time, okay? Everybody loves it. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. Well done. See you next time. Good job.